Hello class, how are you all? Your syllabus has completed. Your 3 lessons will come in PA1 exam. Now you are on lesson number 1. I am revising the syllabus. So you are on lesson number 1, page number 7. So what is Jigyasa saying, do you know? Jigyasa, why did you pluck the lotus? Don't you know flowers wilt and die after you pluck them? Now what Jigyasa is saying? I want to grow them in my garden as I like them the most. I have pots to grow them. Means Jigyasa wants to grow lotus in her garden. But uncle is saying, Jigyasa, you cannot grow them in pots. Every plant cannot be grown in pots or on the land because they require different environment to live in. So, where lotus grow? Lotus grow in water. So that lotus can't be grow on the land. So every plant grow in unique conditions. The place and conditions required by the plants to grow and survive is known as its habitat. Means natural home of animals is called habitat. Natural home of animals or plants. So plants' natural home is land, water, anything. So where plants grow naturally is called its habitat. So the surroundings in which plants grow and are commonly found in are called natural habitat. An organism finds food, water and shelter to live in its habitat. So natural home of animal is called habitat. There is a vast variety of plants that grow on the earth. Vast means lots of. So on earth lots of plants. Most of them grow on the land, but some plants grow in water as well. The plants that grow on the land are known as terrestrial plants. You can see picture of terrestrial plants. Terrestrial, aquatic. Aquatic means in water, terrestrial means on land. So plants that grow in water are called aquatic plants and plants that grow on land are called terrestrial plants. Now you are on next page, that is page number 8. Terrestrial plants. What does terrestrial mean? You know, terrestrial mean earth or land. It means there are many types of plants on the land. 70% of our earth's surface is covered with water, and so it has only 30% land on which terrestrial plants grow. So how much earth's surface covered with water? 70%. And on how much land covered with plants? 30%. So the land areas also different in different regions, as on earth hills, mountains, deserts, forest, they are present. Some regions which have a very cold climate and some have very heavy rainfall. So they are the different regions on the earth. Therefore, the plants grown in different land regions differ from each other due to change in the climatic conditions. As the plant grow in heavy rainfall areas, they will be different from the plant they grow on the mountains. Classification of terrestrial plants. So, terrestrial plants are palm tree, mango tree, cactus and teak tree. They are terrestrial plants. So palm tree grow on sea coast. Mango tree plants in the very heavy rainfall areas. Cactus plants in the desert. Teak tree in plains. So they are the different plants grow in different conditions. They are the it is a classification of terrestrial plants. Terrestrial plants grow on sea coast, heavy rainfall areas and desert and in the plains. So the plants are also different that are growing in different regions. Plants that grow on mountains and hills. So the plants that grow on hills and mountains, they get lesser sunlight, means very less, and they get high snowfall. So the plants that grow here are generally tall and thin. So the plants that grow on hills are thin. So they have sloping branches that snow can easily slide off. Now, the plants that grow on mountains, they are also called conifers because the shape of plants like a cones, and the leaves of plants converted into leaves, needle-like leaves, and they have waxy coating that help to plant in extreme cold weather and snow that fall on them. You can see picture of this plant. This is a plant where leaves are in needle form. They bear cone also, so they are called conifers. Now, today I have told you about terrestrial plants. So what I have told you? I have told palm trees, mango trees, cactus, teak trees. They are of different regions tree and their plants are also different. How the plants are different? Because of leaves, their sizes, shapes. So the plants are different. As terrestrial plants grow on the sea coast, on rainfall areas, in deserts, so they grow in different regions. So where palm trees grow in sea coast, mango tree in heavy rainfall areas, teak tree on plains, cactus in desert. So students, your question answers are left of lesson number 3. I will send question answers of lesson number 3 also, and today I am explaining lesson number 1. So you will write every answer in your fair notebook. If any problem, you can call and start your revision from lesson number 1. So you will revise today about terrestrial plants, and on terrestrial plants, mountain regions plant as hills and mountains, or desert plants only. So today you will revise only terrestrial plants. Thank you very much all.